Today I'm gonna be replacing the AC compressor on a Hyundai Sonata 2014, right? And that's the old one right here. Yeah, that one is blowing hot air, and yeah, be taking this off. I'm gonna be taking this bolt, that one right here, and I got another one over there, and I got another one behind. I got another one right there. And I'm gonna be taking these small screws right here, that one, and there is another one somewhere over there holding the AC lines. 4 bolts and 2 screws. Okay, and I'm gonna be unplugging this one right here. Okay, let's do this. Okay, for this job I'm gonna be using, for the big bolt, I'm gonna be using 12 or half, and right here 12, and for the small bolts I'm gonna be using 10 and 10. Either way works. And I'm gonna be using this one right here, or I'm gonna be using this one right here too. Yes, so, and probably I'm gonna use this one right here too. Yes, whatever works better. That's why I got these 2 sets right here. Whatever works better. And okay, let's do it. For the belt, we're gonna be using a 17. Yes, so I already got it out. You're gonna use a 17. You're gonna put it right here somewhere, all the way to the top, right there. Yeah, and just push it to the front and take the belt off. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna be using the, okay, now I'm gonna be using the 12 right here to take these 2 out. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna be using the 12. Okay. These 2 already out. I have 2 more to go. I just have 1 more. I'm gonna do the last one at the end because it's very hard to get in there. So I'm gonna be taking off the 2 small ones. I'm using this because it's very hard to work in there. That's a small screw. Okay. There you go. It's right here. Now I gotta do this before time. Okay. Okay, that's how I wanna place the new one. Okay, as you can see, This is the one that I just took off. They are exactly the same. But this one right here, it looks like aftermarket, because I don't see any label right here. Probably that one. Yeah, looks like aftermarket, those cheap ones. So I'm gonna be placing that one. Placing this one right here. Yeah, this one is very easy to put back. It's not like the alternator. The alternator is so hard to make it fit back. I don't want to make it too tight though, so I can have room to move it around. Alright, that should be good, so I can be able to put the other two screws. This is the other one. As you can see what I'm doing right here. Yeah. Okay, that one is good. Yeah, it's very tight, this one right here. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna make this one tight, and this one right here too. Okay. At the end, I'm gonna do it with the ratchet. Okay. Put back the AC lines. I gotta turn around for a better grip. Yes. As you can see right here, I had to turn around for a better grip right here to put this one. Let's do the other one. Okay, as you can see, I just put this other line right here. Okay, that's good. Yeah, it's in. And I'm gonna put this little screw It's gonna be a little bit hard. Okay. Yeah. For these two. So I got it tight round. Okay, we're gonna plug this one in here. Okay. And we're gonna put the belt back, and that should do it. Wow. Imagínate. Por fin voy a tirar frito. Puro frito. Yeah.